In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a call script in Zoho CRM using Google Chrome. This is an essential skill for anyone who wants to maintain consistency and efficiency in their customer interactions, whether you're on a sales call or offering support. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and use call scripts to enhance your team's communication. Let's start by logging into Zoho CRM. Open up your Chrome browser and enter the web address for Zoho CRM. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your CRM account. Logging in is important because this gives you access to all the features you need to manage your customer data effectively. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho CRM main page. Your next move is to make your way to the Setup section. Think of Setup as the command center for customizing your Zoho CRM experience. Now, within Setup, you'll need to look for the Channels option, which is where all the magic happens when you're managing different ways to connect with customers. Once you're in Channels, you'll see an option called Call Scripts. Click on that, and this is where you'll begin creating scripts that will guide your conversations with clients. The benefit of having a call script is that it ensures that your team covers all important points during their calls, maintaining a professional and consistent approach. Now, you're ready to create a new script. You'll want to click on Create New Script. This is where you'll get to exercise a bit of creativity and strategic thinking. Start by adding the questions that your team should be asking during calls. These can be common qualifiers or questions that help deepen customer understanding. Next, add prompts and guidelines for the call. These serve as reminders and checkpoints for your team, ensuring that they're steering the conversation in the right direction. Typing these into your script helps keep everyone on your team aligned with your communication goals. Remember, thorough and structured prompts can significantly improve the quality of your conversations and ultimately your customer satisfaction. Once you've put together a script you're happy with, don't forget to save it. Just as importantly, you need to assign these scripts to the appropriate teams, whether it's sales or support. Assigning scripts ensures that every team member is on the same page, handling calls in a consistent and professional manner. Lastly, when your team members use these scripts during calls, they'll not only gain confidence, but also ensure that no important points are missed. Consistency in communication can be the difference between a satisfied customer and a missed opportunity. And there you have it. You now know how to log into Zoho CRM in Chrome and create a call script designed to support your team's communication efforts. Following these steps will help ensure seamless and effective client interactions every time. Thanks for watching, and happy scripting!